First, let me briefly explain what a microwave oven is. A microwave oven is an electrical appliance that uses electromagnetic waves, known as microwaves, to heat and cook food. These microwaves cause water molecules in the food to vibrate, so it will produce heat that warms or cooks the food. Because of its speed and convenience, the microwave oven has become one of the most commonly used kitchen appliances today. For our next slide, we have the importance of microwave oven in our daily life. For the first point we have is that it saves time in food preparation. Microwave oven can heat and cook food much faster than any conventional ovens or stovetops. For example, a meal that may take several minutes to heat on a stove can be reheated in just a few minutes using a microwave. This is very useful, especially for students, workers, and busy individuals who need to prepare meals quickly. For the second point, we have easy and convenient to use. Microwave ovens are designed with simple controls and preset function, making them user-friendly. Users only need to place the food inside, select the desired setting, and wait for the heating process to finish. This convenience makes microwave ovens suitable for people of all age and cooking experience level. The third important is that it is energy efficient for small tasks. When reheating our food or preparing small meals, microwave ovens generally use less energy than any conventional ovens, since the heating process is much faster, so there will be less electricity to consume. So this helps reduce energy usage and can lower electricity costs in the long run. So in conclusion, our microwave oven play an important role in our daily lives. They can save much time, provide convenience, and also help conserve energy. These advantages make microwave ovens a practical and efficient appliance for modern households. That's all. We'll move to the next slide.
So now we want to talk about electricity and magnetism. Electricity and magnetism are a separate yet interconnected phenomena associated with an electromagnetic. Electricity is a moving electric charge which is a fundamental property of matter. The particle that involved is the electron as negative. Magnetism, it is a phenomenon associated with a magnetic field which is arise from the motion of electric charges. It also can be electric current in a conductor. Next is electromagnetic wave. Electromagnetic wave, also known as electromagnetic radiation. The radiation of propagation is a perpendicular to both electric and magnetic vectors. Electromagnetic wave can travel through a vacuum at the speed of light. They can include heat from fire, sunlight, X-ray, and a microwave used for cooking. Microwave can pass through clouds and light rain, making them useful for communication and broadcasting. They also use the heat of food in a microwave ovens. At its core, the microwave is not just a culinary convenience, it's a brilliant application of physics, marrying the field of electromagnetism, thermodynamics, and even a bit of quantum theory. Understanding the physics behind microwave oven is like peering into a tiny, energy-packed laboratory where electromagnetic wave and water molecules dance a higher speed tango. Electromagnetic waves are made of oscillating electric and magnetic fields that travel through space. Microwaves are a type of electromagnetic wave with a frequencies between 300 MHz and 300 GHz, and wavelengths ranging from 1 meter to 1 millimeter. The magnetron is the main component of a microwave oven. It is a cylindrical vacuum tube that uses electricity and a powerful magnet to generate the microwave needed to cook food. A metal pipe called a waveguide channels This weaves directly out of the magnetron and into the main cooking chamber. A spinning metal blade or a rotating turntable scatters the wave so they bounce off the reflective metal walls of the oven, ensuring the energy is distributed as evenly as possible. Dielectric heating. Water molecules are polar, meaning they have a positive charge on the one end and a negative charge on the other. The flip, because the microwave energy alternates its electromagnetic fields 2.45 billion times per second. The water molecules try to constantly realign themselves with the field. Friction, as these billions of water molecules violently twist back and forth at incredible speeds, they bump into each other. These frictions creates a thermal energy. It is heat, which rapidly cooks the food from the inside out.
Hi, my name is Sophia and now I want to talk about how microwave oven works. Microwave oven using device magnetron which is convert electrical energy into microwave radiation with frequency of approximately 2.45 GHz. These microwaves are reflected within the oven cavity and penetrate the food, where they interact mainly with polar molecules such as water. The alternating electromagnetic field causes the water molecules to continuously rotate and align with the changing field, resulting in molecular friction and the generation of heat. The process, known as dielectric heating, allows the food to be heated quickly and efficiently from the inside out. The heat produced is then transferred to other part of the food through conduction, resulting in the cooking or reheating of the entire sample. This mechanism makes microwave heating significantly faster than conventional heating methods, which rely on heat transfer from the surface to the interior of the food. Next, we go to a real-life application of microwave oven. Microwave ovens have a wide range of real-life application in both domestic and industrial settings. In household, they are commonly used for reheating leftovers, cooking ready-to-eat meals, defrosting frozen food, and preparing simple dishes quickly and conveniently. In the food industry, microwave technology is used for drying, pasteurizing, and processing food products to improve efficiency and reduce production time. For the science application, microwave heating is also applied in scientific laboratories for sample digestion, extraction, and chemical synthesis, as it can accelerate reaction and provide uniform heating. Additionally, microwave technology is used in the medical field for sterilizing certain equipment and in telecommunication. Through microwave-based communication system, in this application demonstrates the versatility and importance of microwave technology. So next, benefits and challenges of microwave ovens. So for benefits, microwave oven offer several benefits, including rapid heating, energy efficiency, and convenience. They can cook or reheat food in a much shorter time compared to conventional oven, making them ideal for busy lifestyles. Since microwave directly heat the food rather than the surrounding air, less energy is wasted, resulting in lower energy consumption. Additionally, microwave ovens are easy to operate and can help preserve certain nutrients in food due to the shorter cooking time. And for challenges, there are also some challenges associated with microwave heating. Food may be heated unevenly, creating hot and cold spots that can affect food quality and safety. Certain materials, such as metal container, cannot be used because they may cause sparks or damage the appliance. Furthermore, microwave cooking may not produce the same texture or browning effects as conventional cooking methods. Despite this limitation, microwave oven remain a widely used and effective technology for food preparation and heating.
So in here I will explain about future development slash innovation. First we go to 3D food printing integration. In the distant future, microwave oven could work alongside food printing technology, preparing customized meals with minimal human effort. Second, advanced food scanning technology. Built-in camera and sensor could scan the food size, temperature and moisture content. This will ensure even heating or prevent food from becoming too dry or overcooked. Third, improve energy efficiency. New microwave design may use advanced inverter technology and better insulation to reduce electricity consumption while maintaining cooking performance. So here are the last part of the presentation. So in conclusion, the microwave oven is a useful appliance that makes cooking and reheating food faster and more convenient. With future development such as smart sensor, advanced food scanning technology, and improved energy efficiency, microwave ovens are expected to become more effective, user-friendly, and environmentally friendly, enhancing the overall cooking experience.